Potential bankruptcy clients who have work tools are understandably concerned about losing those tools when they file for bankruptcy. They just want to know if they're going to be able to keep the tools that they use to make a living. When a debtor files bankruptcy, they must list all of their assets, including any work tools. A fair market value of the tools at their current condition must be determined. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the debtor will get to keep the tools if they have enough exemptions to cover the value. Otherwise, we must either surrender the tools to the case trustee or negotiate a buyback. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the debtor always gets to keep the tools, even if they are not fully exempt. But they must still pay in monthly payments to the court the buyback that a Chapter 7 trustee would have gotten. Kansas bankruptcy exemptions allow a debtor to keep tools of the trade with a value of up to $7,500. In Missouri, the exemption is $3,000. The debtor must own the tools of the trade personally and would not be able to claim the tools of the trade exemption if the tools were owned by a limited liability company or a corporation that was owned by the debtor. For more information about your tools of the trade, visit our website at www.kansascitybankruptcy.com or call for a free initial consultation to evaluate your situation. At WM Law, we are here to help.